Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll to the security. Now we have to scroll down and tap on encryption and credentials, and at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you really want to remove all the contents, just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or PIN, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step, and as you can see, after that we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.